Previously on Modi Makes.
Alright, so I'm done in Goodwill. I'm just shooting here now from the parking lot. And honestly, it was a great day at Goodwill. For 23 bucks, I got 3 of these weird multi-layered canvases that have these crazy patterns on them. And I'm like, I could probably use that to do some weird paintings.
Weird Paintings, Tip 1.
that turned out much better than I expected. Not that I thought that it was gonna be bad, but I was worried about the texture underneath the part that I had painted yellow, making it really hard for me to get clean line work. And while it isn't perfect, it certainly is good and it looks good and it's good enough for me. But let me know what you guys think of the piece down in the comments below. And as always, let me know if you guys have any suggestions for anything you want to see in the future. I will definitely be checking them out, and I'll be happy to try anything that you guys send to me, as long as it's decently reasonable. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be amazing. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, the best thing you can do is to subscribe. That would be fantastic. And with that all out of the way, I know what y'all are here for. Let's get into those final shots, shall we? Oh no, I got both sides. I got both sides. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, got me.